The purpose of a roof cricket is to divert water from an area where the water is shedding off, but it hits some type of dam. That dam can be a chimney, that dam can come from a dead valley from an exterior wall. So it's critical to always make sure if they're coming to a point where the water can't flow off the roof, that we do have a cricket, or a cricket is just another roofing term for a diverter. The type of roofing material can affect the cricket or the chimney flashing, because if the siding is coming down on top of the cricket or the chimney flashing, it has to be a couple inches above the shingles. And so if you have a asphalt shingle, which is usually one of our thinnest types of shingles, you're not gonna have to cut up as much on the siding. But if you use a thicker, like a Da Vinci roof or a concrete tile roof, those roofing materials are gonna be much thicker. But what happens is it's the secondary effect of getting the siding, which acts as a counter flashing to the cricket, high enough up so that the water flows consistently down with a nice channel for the water to flow through. There are regional and climate implications on when a cricket needs to be installed. The further north you go, the colder the temperatures, they're gonna say there has to be a cricket no matter what. In our region, it's MABCD is the governing body on the codes. They require that if there is a chimney that is 30 inches or wider, it's gonna require a cricket. There are basically two types of crickets that can be on your roof behind your chimneys. One is a built-in cricket. And when I say a built-in cricket, what I mean by this is the framers of the home built the diverter with framing components, sheathing, and 2x4s or 2x6s. So if that's the existing case, we will usually leave that cricket on and put custom soldered corner pieces on and a ridge piece on and treat it that way. If there is no cricket, and the chimney is wider than 30 inches, requiring us to put a cricket diverter behind the chimney, on the back side of the chimney on our flashing. At that point, what we'll do is we're gonna have a custom soldered, fabricated cricket. So those are basically the two types. You can have it custom fabricated out of sheet metal, or the framing, when the home was originally built, the framers had a built-in cricket. If you're having any issues with a leaking chimney or questions about crickets in general, please give Rhoden Roofing a call for a free estimate today.